we assure you of a free, fair, and transparent and verifiable elections within the party. The party is poised to win a significant number of these seats, if not all. By the way, the party will fight for every seat equally and with equal seriousness and with equal commitment and with equal resources.
Vile tulinyenyekea mara ya kwanza, hata hii tutanyenyekea, hata 2027 tutanyenyekea. The one thing you can be sure of is you have 101% support of the party leader and the deputy party leader. So muende huko, mungangane, and I'm sure UDA will emerge victorious in all the seats that we are going to be fielding candidates in the next elections that are coming. And to the candidates, best wishes, Godspeed, and just know that you are the flag bearer of the UDA party.